Hello everyone, and welcome to Jumperman Tech, where we specialize in HVAC but do everything DIY. And today I'm going to show you step by step on how to install a compression valve or fitting. Thank you to everyone tuning into Jumperman Tech. Compression valves or fittings are very easy to install and come with their benefits. In today's demonstration, I'm going to be installing a compression valve on a copper pipe, and it's going to be the same steps essentially to be installing a compression fitting. To begin, I always like to start off with a fresh cut, and to do so I'll be using a tubing cutter. Rule of thumb is every 3 spins, you tighten down on your knob a quarter turn. We have a nice clean cut on the copper, and we're just going to take a rag to wipe down any debris or dirt. And personally, I like to take a Scotch pad and very lightly sand down any dirt or debris that is on the pipe. Our pipe is now prepped. Let's take a further look inside of this compression ball valve. This valve is comprised of 3 parts. So starting from the left, right here is our retaining nut. This piece right here is our sleeve, and here is the valve itself. With all that being said, let's begin by installing our valve, and the first piece we're going to start with is our retaining nut. Just going to simply slide this onto the pipe. Next, we're going to take our sleeve, and we're going to slide that into the pipe. Then we're going to take our valve and we're going to slide that into the pipe. A little trick that I see professionals using for a little bit of extra added security, they use PTFE paste or Teflon paste, and they give a light brush around the sleeve, but this part is not necessary. It's entirely up to you, but for this demonstration I'm going to use a little bit of paste. From here, I like to keep my hand on the valve, push it towards the pipe, and then we're just going to simply lock down our ring. We're going to hold back with a wrench here and then tighten down our nut. This is the most unique adjustable I have ever seen and used, and they are absolutely fantastic. So we're holding back with the left side, and the right side we're going to be tightening. And it's as simple as that. Next, we can repeat the process for the opposite end, and it's the same idea for a fitting. Retaining nut, sleeve, tighten down. These valves are great for emergency situations or in places where you can't actually light a torch. So let's say you shut off your main valve and we still have water trickling through the pipe. We all know that we can't solder when there's water coming through the pipe. So this type of valve would be key for that type of situation. So we can just simply, put on our nut, our sleeve, put in our valve, tighten it down, close our valve, and now we solved the issue, and now we can begin our work. If anybody found this video interesting or helpful, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you all next time.